In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot sequences. To get started, the first step is to open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. HubSpot is an incredibly useful tool for automating your email outreach, and sequences are a big part of that. By using sequences, you can schedule a series of automated emails to send to your leads, making your follow-up process much more efficient. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on that and then type in sequences. This will take you to the area where HubSpot stores all of the automated emails you can send to your leads. It's an essential tool for any marketer or sales professional looking to streamline their communication efforts. After you've entered sequences into the search bar, click on it. You'll be taken to a new page where you'll see an option to create a sequence. Click on this option to move forward. When you do so, you'll initially download the basic setup. This setup acts as a foundation for your sequence, providing you with a starting point that you can then build on. Now you've created a new sequence. Congratulations on reaching this point. The next step is perhaps the most exciting part, customization. You'll have the ability to tailor your sequence to fit your specific needs and objectives. Think carefully about the emails and tasks you want to include. This might include personalized messages or follow-up tasks to ensure no lead falls through the cracks. As you navigate through the customization options, you'll notice specific features that allow you to highlight certain parts of your sequence. This is crucial if you want to draw attention to specific tasks, ensuring that important actions are not overlooked. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to focus on these key areas, aiding in a seamless setup process. Feel free to explore the other features available within the sequence tool. HubSpot provides a range of options that can enhance the effectiveness of your communication strategy. Whether it's setting reminders for follow-up tasks or segmenting your leads more precisely, spending some time getting familiar with these features can pay off in the long run. I hope this walkthrough has given you clarity and confidence to start utilizing HubSpot sequences to their fullest potential. By taking the time to set up and customize your sequences, you'll create a more dynamic and responsive workflow that engages your leads with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials to help you master your HubSpot experience.